Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We're going to create another card using elements from the August 2022 Sweet Sunflowers Paper Pumpkin Kit. This one I've got a Fresh Freesia card base. I've got the back of one of the cards from the kit. I actually used the front in a different alternate card. And I've used the front of that card. And I've cut it out using one of the Stylish Shapes dies. It's the largest circle. I'm going to dimensionalize that, add a Fresh Freesia ribbon, and I'm going to add the greeting, wishing you so much happiness. I'm going to actually stamp it right onto the card front here. And I like how the Fresh Freesia goes with this. It's not one of the colors in the kit, but it sure does look pretty with this. I'm just going to stamp this away. Oh, that's nice. Okay, let's make sure I'm inked up really well, and then I'm just going to pop it onto the card. And I'm sorry, I'm going to get my hair in the frame again. There we go. So wishing you so much happiness. Nice and soft on there. Okay, I am going to dimensionalize this now. You can use larger dimensionals if you'd like. These are the dimensionals that came in the kit. So I'm just going to pop a few of those onto the back here. And then I'm going to just pop it onto the front of the card. And then I'm going to add the ribbon. You can add bling if you like, for sure. I'm just having a look at my bling bin, and I don't think I've got anything with Fresh Freesia on it, but I probably have some pearls or something like that that I can add on. I'm just going to pop this. I want this at an angle so those flowers come over. There we go, like that. And I'm going to use one of the adhesive dots from the kit. And I'm just going to put it on the back of the bow like that, and then peel it off. And I want it to sit right at the base of the flowers there. So kind of a little bit crooked, but right at the base. And then we can add this to our card base. I'll just put some adhesive across, and then we can take this and drop it down like that. And there we have a really, really pretty card using elements from the August 2022 Sweet Sunflowers Paper Pumpkin Kit. So stay tuned and we will create together again soon.